So I rarely make reviews, but first impressions, this thing is already awesome. Long story short, I have two bulging discs in my neck and one of my lower lumbar right on the sciatica. It's no fun. It really takes away from what I was able to do once out on the farm. I could lift a chainsaw, but it's detrimental in terms of the repercussions that it'll cause in terms of flare-ups and such. So on a whim, I went and bought this nice little 8-inch one. I was looking for a 10 or 12, but figured that I'd start smaller just to see how they operate. And this is my farm. It's a lot of work. I'm turning into a venue for weddings. So I'm constantly doing stuff out here beyond being a massage therapist. So my body's always pretty much hurting. This thing is a lifesaver already, I can tell you that. It's got a pretty nifty little button right here. Little tank that shows exactly how much oil is in there. You know, every so often you'll push the oil up button just to keep the bar and the chain lubricated itself. But you know, for instance, there's lots of Yopon here where I am in Texas. Very thick. There's even post oak, live oak, but I wouldn't be mainly doing any trimming on those, just mainly kind of Yopon and things that I need to clear around the house and the property. But man, this thing is already awesome. You know, I made a little cut and then I was like, man, I'm gonna make a video. So safety first always. You know, you got to engage this little mechanism right on the side prior to starting it, but kicks up nice and easy. As you can tell, I mean, like butter. And that's like a really thick Yopon. I mean, truthfully, I can't even grip around this thing fully, and I have really, really big hands. As you can tell, it cut right through it. I stopped early just because I was videoing, and I did not want to do anything in terms of being unsafe, but I highly recommend it, honestly. First time using it, and it's already a game changer. Just be sure to clean it and maintain it, and I could imagine this thing would last quite a while.
Bueno, estoy haciendo este video para que conozcan la calidad de esta sierrita que me compré de 8 pulgadas. La marca es Seesii, que algo así. Miren, aquí la tienen. Oiga, esto supera todas las expectativas. Mira, este árbol lo estoy picando yo completo. Y miren con qué facilidad corta esto. Miren, miren. Miren con qué facilidad, no es un engaño ni nada. Miren. Es lo mejor. A mí no me está pagando nada. Nadie, lo que yo quiero es que vean la calidad de esto. Miren, todos estos palos los he picado. Estos gajos, todo eso. Y miren la batería cómo está. Miren, la batería ahora en este momento he picado todo eso y miren, yo recomiendo esta sierrita manual por encima de todo. Es mejor hasta que muchas de gasolina y muchas eléctricas de esas que venden.
I got this little saw to take out some trees. It was like 50 bucks on Amazon. Yeah, it's Chinese special, but it actually works freaking pretty good. I've been, well, as you can see, I got tired of carrying around my big chainsaw, so I bought this little thing to limb out the trees before I get the big chainsaw and cut it down. All that area over there was filled, and I got it cut down. There's a pile down there somewhere. But here you go. It actually works really good. It's literally a 6-inch saw. And I've been using this thing for almost an hour. I'm on the same battery. Just FYI for my outdoorsy tree cutting fools. All right, bye.
Wow. Wow, indeed. I am impressive. That bad boy makes some friggin' sawdust. Well, I don't want to get the face. I just want to get the way you use the foot. Get your gloves.
Short.
Here is my little chainsaw set. It even comes with a set of goggles. Oh, sorry, set of goggles. Set of gloves. There's my 2 chargers. There's my actual chainsaw with the blade cover. And I'm excited to use this. It's even got cleaning, a little cleaning kit with it. And so, and I'm a girl, and I know I can use this. The instructions are just really awesome. So thank you for making this, and thank you, Amazon.
Oh well. Ching.
他们只是说的，我没说到做到。他们只是说的，我没说到做到。他们只是说的，我没说到做到。他们也只是说，他们只是说。They can talk, but we're the ones that do it. They can talk, but we're the ones that do it. They can talk.
My newest little tool. Works like a charm.